Does he have it? Or does he? Does he have it? Or does he? Right now, a stranger could be carrying the duplicate keys to your house. It's easy to duplicate a key, but hard to duplicate happiness. And impossible to duplicate the lives of those you love. And yet, 8 out of 10 homes in India are unprotected. And the families there, unsafe. And your home, is it safe? To answer this question, let's recreate this scene. But this time, let's arm the house with a state-of-the-art security system. A video door phone allows the family to see the threat outside. And if the door is still forced open, then the magnetic contact breaks and the wireless alarm goes off so loud it's heard by the neighbors 40 meters away.
Hello, police station?
And triggering off a central alarm, alerting all concerned, giving the intruders only minutes before help arrives. If the intruders still enter the home, the infrared beams from the motion sensor will be broken. The broken glass will set off the glass break sensor, all connected to the central control panel, which immediately dials 4 pre-programmed numbers, connecting the victims inside to help from outside. And the story has a completely different ending. In addition, Ceasefire Security's X10 feature will also give you remote access to your home at all times, so you can preset your lights to switch on and off even while you're away. With the entire system linked to hidden cameras that auto-start as soon as the alarm is sounded, record the action at every point in the house for police identification, and also sound a remote alarm on your phone. This footage uploads to a central server, accessible to you from anywhere. As security concerns increase in today's world, Ceasefire Security keeps up with GSM technology, which means zero wiring and no need for a landline, which means every time you leave on vacation, leave for work, leave your home, you have someone who will stay behind, on guard. Someone who has, for more than 2 decades, defended millions against fire. Who is now ready to defend your home against all those that threaten it. And in the end, who else can you trust when there is so much to lose? Now that you know what you stand to lose, arm yourself with total protection. Call our toll-free hotlines 1-800-113473 and 0120-422-3473 or SMS FIRE to 53030 or get in touch with your local Ceasefire executive at the address printed on the DVD cover. And we'll help you guard your home and all who live in it.